Welcome to the standard 4 students. Welcome. Now we will discuss about the chapter 1. Chapter 1, be an environment friendly. Be an environment friend. And chapter 2 is the traffic rules. Okay. Page 5 and 6 we are going to discuss now about the chapter 1 and 2, page 5 and 6. So open the page 5 and 6. First question: how you would be a friend of the environment? How would be the friend of the environment? And it lies 7 points. 7 points. It lies the 7 points. How you would be a friend of the environment. It lies 7 points. First point is the keep the surrounding clean. First point is the keep the surrounding clean. Second point is the throw the waste in the dustbin. Throw the waste in the, look at the book. Throw the waste in the dustbin. Then plant new trees. Don't cut the old trees or big trees. Don't cut the trees, but plant new trees. Instead of cutting trees, plant new trees. Then use the fourth one is the point out of 7. Fourth point is the use cloth and jute bag. Use cloth and jute bag. Okay, use cloth and jute. Don't use polythene. Okay. Then fifth point don't cause noise pollution. Don't cause noise pollution. Don't cause noise pollution. Then don't waste water while using water. While running water is going on the tap, don't waste the water. And save. Last point is the save electricity. Save electricity. Save electricity. So it is all about the how you would be a friend of environment. These 7 points. These 7 points is these 7 points. Save electricity, don't waste water, don't cause noise pollution. Okay. Use cloth and jute bag. Plant new trees instead of cutting trees. Don't cut the trees, but instead of that, plant new trees. Okay. Grow green. Stay healthy. Throw the waste in the dustbin. Keep the surrounding clean. Keep the surrounding clean. This is the first chapter. Be an environment friend. Be an environment friend. Page 5 over. Then switch over to the traffic rules. Chapter 2. Traffic rules. These are the traffic light. Okay. These are the rules. Traffic light and traffic rules. Okay. So, first point. Carelessness is the main cause of the accident. Carelessness is the main cause of accident. Okay. Now, when accident occurs, you will be careless. So, due to careless, accident occurs. So, carelessness is the main cause of accident. So, how we avoid the accident? These 3 points. These 3 points, 3 ways we will avoid the accident. We will avoid the accident 3 ways. First is we should know and obey the road signs. We should follow the traffic rules. Okay. And we should follow the traffic lights. Road signs, traffic rules, traffic light. Okay. Road sign, traffic rules, traffic light. We should follow. Three things. Road signs. Road sign. These are the road sign. Then traffic rules. Okay. And traffic light. Traffic light. When red, we should stop. When yellow, we should start. Then green, move. Green is the move. Then yellow is the starting point. Start. Going to start. Then green is the move. Then red is the stop. Okay. These are the traffic light. Stop, start and move. Stop, start, move. Okay. This is stop, start, then move. Okay. Stop, start and move. Okay. Then traffic signs. This is speed breaker. Speed breaker. This is what is this? Bridge ahead. Bridge ahead. Bridge ahead. Then no U-turn. Go straight. No U-turn. No U-turn. No parking. No parking. These are the traffic rules, traffic signs. Then fill in the blanks. By using this traffic sign, fill in the blanks. By using this. When a driver sees a speed breaker sign, when a speed breaker sign he sees, okay, so he should drive slower. Drive slower. In India, from right side, one cross another right side. In India, from right side, one vehicle is moving, then another vehicle right side. Right side, another vehicle. Right side. Don't cross in the left side. Vehicle is there. You cross the vehicle, right side. Don't left side. And when the pedestrian means those who are walking slowly, walking speedily, these are the pedestrians. Pedestrians moves on the left side of the road. Left side of the road. Okay, it is all about the traffic rules. So remember these traffic rules. Then we will discuss the workbook chapter 1, Incredible India. Which is the national bird? Peacock. Name 2 island groups in India. Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. What is? Andaman and Nicobar is the Bay of Bengal. These 2 islands. Then write the name of the largest and smallest state. Largest state in area is the Rajasthan. And the populous state is the UP. UP is the big state according to the population, and according to the area, Rajasthan. Then Goa is the smallest state. Then 29 states and 7 territories. Out of 29 states, UP is the population larger, and Rajasthan is the area. Area it is larger. Then what are the 3 other names of the country? What are the 3 other names of Bharat, Hindustan, Aryabrata, Jambudvipa, like this. Okay. Then NCR, full form of the NCR, National Capital Region, and the national flower lotus. Then what do you know about the Bangladesh and Pakistan? They both are Muslim country. Both are Muslim country. Bangladesh in the west side. Bangladesh is the east side. East side is the Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the east side. Pakistan is the west side. Okay. These two are some Muslim country. Then, which is the sacred river? River Ganga. And national anthem, Rabindranath Tagore. Who has written the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has written the national anthem. Then the name of the capital of India, New Delhi. Then look at two short questions there. Which is the most famous church in the Goa? Basilica of Bom Jesus. Basilica of Bom Jesus. Then which dance? Odissi. Odissi dance is the popular in our state. Odissi dance. Okay, it is all about the incredible India. Then second chapter is the one story is there, milkmaid story. One day one milkmaid is going with the milk pot and he started dreaming what she will do afterwards in the future life. So he is dreaming, and in that dreaming he thought that he will be a rich man. She will be a rich woman, and when her friends will say something, he will say, nothing I can do. I can say nothing. Like this, in dreaming, he started, his head was tilted and the pot was falling. What is that? So that is, all people fell down from her head. As you sow, shall you reap. So it is, don't think yourself better than others. Don't think yourself better than others. This is the moral of the story. Okay, this is all. Write down. It is all about the chapter 1 and 2, worksheet 1 and 2, worksheet chapter 1 and 2. Write down in your book and submit it in the school through your parents. Okay. Goodbye to all of you. Thank you all of you.